Wow, welcome back to an exciting episode of Lady Siou English. I'm Brainy, and today we're diving into something that's not only valuable, but incredibly practical. We're focusing on practicing English in the context of a supermarket. I mean, grocery shopping is something everyone can relate to, right? Just visualize it. Wandering down those aisles, trying to remember your shopping list. It's like embarking on a treasure hunt, but instead of searching for gold, you're on the hunt for fresh apples and milk.
Oh wow, I love that analogy. A treasure hunt. What's the first thing we should talk about? Is it about the actual groceries or the phrases we can use while shopping? I'm super excited about this.
Absolutely. Let's kick things off with some essential vocabulary. I really recommend repeating after me to improve your pronunciation. So, let's start with a keyword. Apple. It's such a classic fruit. You know what they say? An apple a day keeps the doctor away? It's a fun adage that really emphasizes nutrition.
Haha, right. So if I eat 12 apples, does that mean I'll never get sick again? Wait, do you have a favorite type of apple?
Oh, good question. I really enjoy a good Honeycrisp apple. It's so crisp and refreshing. But let's get back to vocabulary. The next essential word is bread. Picture yourself walking into a bakery section. The aroma of freshly baked bread wafts through the air. It's simply captivating.
Oh my gosh, yes, bread is like this whole comforting world of carbs. But what about people who are gluten intolerant? Do they feel left out when they see all this delicious bread?
Haha, that's an important point. Gluten-free bread options have come a long way. It's like they embarked on their own culinary adventure to ensure everyone feels included. Now, let's keep rolling. Next up on our list is milk. Did you know there are so many variations like almond, oat, and even hemp milk? It's quite mind-blowing how diverse our choices have become.
Oh, yum. I love oat milk. It's super creamy. What's your go-to way to use milk? Do you prefer it on cereal or in coffee?
Definitely cereal. The crunch combined with the splash of cold milk creates the ideal morning routines. Speaking of routines, let's dive into some useful phrases you might need while shopping. For example, you can say, "I'd like an apple." Picture yourself confidently stating that to the cashier.
Ooh, yes! That sounds so empowering. I can just imagine saying that and feeling like a total pro. What do you think people struggle with the most when trying to speak English in an environment like that?
Great question. I believe the most common struggle is the fear of making mistakes, right? But instead of letting that fear consume you, think of it as an opportunity to learn, especially with friendly cashiers all around. Speaking of interactions, let's listen to a quick example.
Oh, okay. Let's hear it.
So here's a snippet. "Excuse me, how much is this bread?" Quote. And the response would be, "It's 2 pounds." Quote. Can you envision that?
Haha, totally. I can picture someone standing there with this gigantic loaf of bread too. That's just hilarious. Wait, what if the bread was like a magic loaf that talks back?
Oh, that would be quite a show. I'm worth every penny. But seriously, these real-life examples are golden. Next, we have our listening challenge to tackle. Where is the supermarket? And the answer is, next to the bank.
Oh. Do they have to share the parking lot or something? That's an interesting thought.
Exactly. It's all about engaging with your community and keeping it practical to help your English skills flourish. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Yes, this was so much fun. I can't wait for the next lesson. Bye, everyone.